We gather here today to celebrate the most intimate of bonds between two people, marriage. Each of you, by your presence here today, is being called upon to uphold them and cherishing and loving their ways. Always stand beside them, never between them. Offer them your love and support, not your judgment. Encourage them with kindness and loving hearts, and honor this marriage into which they have come to be joined today. Marriage will allow you a new environment to share your lives together, standing together to face life and the world hand in hand. Marriage is going to expand you as individuals, define you as a couple, and deepen your love for one another. To be successful, you will need strength, courage, patience, and a really good sense of humor. So let your marriage be a time of waking each morning and falling in love all over again. In marriage, we not only say I love you today, but I also promise to love you tomorrow, the next, and always. It is never being too old to hold hands, remembering to say I love you at least once a day. Never going to sleep angry. Standing together to face the world. Speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. We change because of these promises, and we shape ourselves according to them. We live in their midst and live differently because of them. We feel protected because of them. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is not about marrying the right partner. It is about being the right partner. We promise to exercise our love, stretch it large enough to embrace the unforeseen realities of our future. We promise to learn to love beyond our level of instincts and inclinations. To love in foul weather as well as the good, to love in the hard times as well as the good times. We change because of these promises, and we shape ourselves according to them. We live in their midst and live differently because of them. We feel protected because of them. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. Ashley and Austin, you two take each other to be your other half. Ashley, will you deal with Austin's snoring? His love for the Ravens, except for when they play Pittsburgh? And do you promise to take care of each other and cherish your relationship? To always be open, honest, and faithful to each other? Do you take each other to have and to hold from this day forward, in the good times and the bad, for rich or for poor? Keeping yourself unto each other for as long as you both shall live? If so, say we do.
We do.
Grant them happiness and contentment as they establish their new life explore the depths of their love for one another. Bless their home as a place of love and peace. Help them to look into their hearts and remember the love that brought them here today. So now pronounce you officially husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.